So on your wall, I enjoy. All of you enjoyed your Thanksgiving holiday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next is Christmas. Yes.
All right. Okay. Ụbọchị tata ndewo no maka ndị nke bịara ọhụrụ aha nwụ Queenette Ogoo Ohaya. Today means tata. Today means tata or ta. You can say today and it means tata or ta. They're both the same thing. Okay, so I sent out an assignment, a project for you all to do. I don't know how many of you that were able to view it. Did you all see the assignment?
Yes.
Okay, good. You know, yes. How to say yes in Igbo? That's what I'm looking for. Okay, right now I'm going to share the screen because we'll need to go over that project in case if you have any question. So I put it in English and I translated it to Igbo. But you're going to do the project, record yourself saying those things in Igbo. You have to record yourself. So I'm gonna pull it right now. I'm going to share screen. Okay, I know you can see my screen right now. Let me see. All right. And you can see me talking. So you see me moving my mouth and how to pronounce things. Now I have one of the assignments. Make sure you go to the one that is for your age. Do not go to the one that is not for you. You're going to do the one that is your age. And I have one that is between the age of 8 to 14. Afọ asatọ ruo n'afọ iri na anọ. So I want you to see the, wait a minute, I need to go out of the, I don't know why this one is here. Okay, let's see. 1 second, I need to stop sharing. Let me close something down. Okay, so I'm trying to close something down. I'm going to share the screen again. All right, okay, so let's see. I don't know why it's not opening. Okay. All right, the page is here. So let me share the screen again, and I'm gonna go over. Okay, so if you're looking at here, the screen, and the due date is December 20th. Do not wait until the last day, okay? Do your thing, memorize it, learn to say those things. You do with your mom, or with your dad, or with your sibling, anybody who can speak Igbo, or with your friend, all right? But make sure you're videoing yourself. Okay, so for those, the ages, 8 to 14, afọ asatọ ruo n'afọ iri na anọ, afọ asatọ ruo n'afọ iri na anọ. This is your own part. Okay, so, and you know what all of them mean. So if your parents, whoever is acting with you, wants his or her video to be seen, fine. Okay, I put the instruction there. And then the first one, the first line says there, and the student means you. The student means you. Family friend or your mom or your dad or your sibling who can speak Igbo, you can do it with that person. And that person has to do his or her own part. So your own part is good morning, Mr. Okoro, okay? And Mr. and Miss Maz, and you see what it is. Okay, wait a minute. Good morning, good afternoon. That's what we put there. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma, Maazị Okoro. Okay, make sure, remember you're saying it, you're acting it, and you have to say it well. You're not going to do it with a paper. You have to know it. No doing it with any book or any paper. You have to learn to say all these things in Igbo. Ehihie ọma, Maazị Okoro. And then your mom or your dad or anybody who is doing it with you say, can say ehihie ọma, kedu ka ị mere? And you see the meaning of what it is on the left side. Let me maximize it. I want to make sure you're seeing what I'm doing here. I want to make sure you're seeing the screen. If you have not opened it, please do so. And this is very short. It's not that many for you to do. And it's not that hard. So please try to do it. All right, so it's bigger now because I want you to see what I'm doing. Okay. Ehihie ọma, Maazị Okoro. And then whoever is acting with you. Ehihie ọma, kedu ka ị mere? Okay. Then you, we say, adị mma. And remember, you're supposed to be videoing yourself saying this. You have to video yourself. I want to see you saying it and send it to me. Post it to the forum or you can send it to me. Okay. And then the actor, the person acting with you, say, Gịnị bụ aha gị? Na onye ebe, okay? Onye ebe ka ị bụ. What is your name and where are you from? That's what it is. And you, we say, aha m bụ. You say your name, state your full name, please. Your village, your town, your local government, your state, and the country, Nigeria. Okay. All right. So then the person we say again, the actor doing it with you say, imeela nke ọma. And you, the student, we say, daalụ. Okay, so you're going to say daalụ. And then the person acting with you will also say, kedu ebe nne? Okay, so let me get it up. So maximize it. Oh, come on. And then the person will say, kedu ebe nne na nna gị nọ? And then you will reply, ha nọ n'ụlọ. And you know the meaning. The meaning is on the other side. Ha nọ na ụlọ. Okay. And then the person will say, oh, daalụ. See, oh, oh, oh. It doesn't matter the way they say, depending on their dialect. Oh, daalụ. And then you will say, imeela ka ọ dị o. All right? So that's what you're going to say. Imeela ka ọ dị o. And then that is the end of what you need to say. Mechi means the end. Mechi means the end. So make sure if you fall into this age group, make sure you do it. And tell your parents, if you don't have phone and you didn't receive this assignment, please tell your parents that Auntie said you have assignments. They should print it out for you and you need to do it. Okay? Please don't forget to do that. Now we go to the ones ages 15 to 24. Ages 15 to 24. You see your own there, the student. your mom or dad or sibling or a friend, anybody who can speak Igbo, we act with you, but I need you to video yourself. I need to see your video saying it. If any of them acting with you is okay with them to show their video, that's fine. I'm okay with that. But I need to see the interaction. And then the student, which is you, 15 to 24 now. Papa, okay, wait. Okay. Papa or mama, depending on who is acting it with you. Okay? Ụtụtụ ọma. And then the actor will say, ụtụtụ ọma, ịrahịkwara ofuma. And then you will say, arahụrụ m nke ọma. Arahụrụ m nke ọma. Okay? And then the actor will say, ịsaala eze gị. Okay? Gụọ ahụ, kwado akwụkwọ. Have you brushed your teeth, showered, and got ready for school? Okay? Then the student will say, mba. And the mba means no. Ana m aga ịsa eze, gụọ ahụ, kwado akwụkwọ. I am going to brush my teeth, shower, and get ready. Okay? Okay, so it's easy. I'm just going over to help you with the pronunciation. But I need you to do this according to your dialect, the way your parents speak, the way they pronounce things. But I'm just helping you here. It doesn't have to be this way. If that's not how they say it, I want you to say the way they normally say their words in Igbo, okay? But this is the Central Igbo. Then the actor now. Ngwano, ga mee ngwa ngwa ka ị gaa n'oge. Go do fast, all right? Go do fast so that you go on time, all right? And then you, we say, mma or papa, depending on who is doing it with you. If it's your friend, enyim. If it's your sibling, nwannem, all right? Ọ dị ka o nwere onye na-akụ aka na ụzọ. It looks like somebody is knocking on the door. See? Ọ dị ka o nwere onye na-akụ aka na ụzọ. All right. Daddy will say, or mommy or friend or your sibling will say, ole mgbe, when? When is that? Okay. Anụrụ m mgbịrịgba. I heard the bell. Anụrụ m mgbịrịgba means I heard the bell. That's what it is. Okay. Anụrụ m mgbịrịgba. Let me adjust the light. Anụrụ m mgbịrịgba. Okay, that you heard the bell. All right. Then the person will tell you, gaa lee onye dị ihe ahụ. Go see, and then you will leave. You will go to see who is on the door. I want to see all this. Okay. Then you came back and say, onwegi onye m hụrụ. Onwegi onye m hụrụ. I didn't see anybody. Okay. And then the actor will say, gaa kwado akwụkwọ, go get ready for school. And then you, which is the student, akwadola m akwụkwọ, nne. If it's your mom, then call nne or mama. If it's your dad, papa. Okay? If it's your friend, enyim. If it's your sibling, nwannem, akwadola m akwụkwọ. I just use nne as an example. Nne. Ị ga-akwaga m akwụkwọ. See, ị ga-akwaga m. Kam ọ ga-agba ụgbọala akwụkwọ. Are you taking me or am I going to take the school bus? That's the question there. Then the actor will say, aga m akwaga gị. I will take you. Then the student will say, daalụ mama or papa. So do not repeat two of them. I just put mama or papa there. But I don't want you to say both. Just whoever is doing it. That's the person you're going to address to. And then that is the end. All right. So the next one, as the age is 25 years and above, our young adults. So the student will say, mgbede ọma enyi m. No. Ekpọrọ m oku. Okay? You said, good evening, my friend. Or if you're still with your parents, you can do it with your parents. If you don't have anybody to do it with, feel free to let me know. I can do it with you over the phone. But the recording should be recording you. The video that I want to see is you interacting, whether it's with me or with your parents or with your friend or with anybody. Okay? So your video is what I'm interested to see. Okay. And then the actor will say, mba. And then the student will say, amaghị m oge ị lọtara ọrụ. Amaghị m oge ị lọtara ọrụ. I didn't know when you came back from work. And then the actor with you will say, ebee ka ị nọ? Where are you? And then you will say, anọ m n'ime ụlọ m. I was in my room. And then the actor will say, kedu ka akwụkwọ siri ga? How did school go today? Kedu ka akwụkwọ siri ga taa? And you will say, ọ gara nke ọma. Ọ gara nke ọma. And the actor will say, email, okay, imeela, okay, listen to me. Imeela ọmụmụ akwụkwọ ụlọ. Okay, have you done your homework? Imeela ọmụmụ akwụkwọ ụlọ. Have you done your homework? And then the student will say, mba, ike gwụrụ m ugbu a. Mba means no. Ike gwụrụ m ugbu a. I am so tired now. Achọrọ m ịga rahụ ụra. I want to go sleep. Aga m emecha ya n'ụtụtụ echi. I will get it done tomorrow morning. Mba, ike gwụrụ m ugbu a. Achọrọ m ịga rahụ ụra. Aga m emecha ya n'ụtụtụ echi. So that's how you're going to say it. No, I am tired now. I want to go sleep. I will finish it tomorrow morning, or I will get it done tomorrow morning. All right? Then the actor with you will say, iriri nri anyasị, or iriri nri abalị. Anyasị and abalị, they mean the same thing. Iriri nri anyasị, or iriri nri abalị. Then you will say, eriela m. Ị chọrọ ka m? Ị chọrọ ka mụ? Do you want me? Mụ means me. Ị chọrọ ka mụ wetara gị nri? Yes, I ate, or I've eaten, okay? Do you want me to get you food? And then the actor will say, ngwanu, all right. Ngwanu means all right. And then the student, you, will say, nri nọ na elu teburu. I put the food on the table. The food is on the table. All right. Then the actor with you will say, dalo, which is thank you. And you will say, nsogbu adịghị, no problem. That's what it is. No problem. Ka mụ wetara gị mmiri. That's no problem. I'm going to get you water. And that's it. The end, which is mmechi. And that's what it is all about. So this is what you're going to do. And please know we have a deadline. Some of you are doing very well. Some of you are doing very, very well. Some of you are doing something, asking me a question. For example, I know one of our brothers, he sent some questions and he got it well when it comes to pronouns. When it comes to pronouns. So if you know you're still confused about pronouns, please feel free to ask me a question. Today, what we're gonna do is question. We're going to put something down and I want you to tell me how to say it. And I want you to ask questions about pronouns, how to use it. If you don't know how to use this, you're not gonna be able to do it. So you have to know how to do it. And I want you to ask me a question. If you do not understand anything, please feel free to ask me a question because I need you to know it. I need you to know what we're doing. Okay, so now we're going to do something about the pronouns. But first of all, do you have, I'll give you a chance to ask questions regarding the project. And if you're still confused about it, please feel free to make your notes so that you can ask me a question, because I want to make sure that you know what you're going to do. All right, so right now, we're going to do something about the pronouns. And I want you to ask me a question about pronouns. If you do not understand the pronouns, how to use it, how to say the word, we're gonna go over the pronouns, but you have to really know what you're doing. Okay, so let me open another, I need to stop sharing. And I'm going to open another word and we do some stuff here. Okay, so pronouns. And I need us to go over something now, because I want to make sure that if there is any question you have, that you get it across concerning pronoun or what we just did, going over our project. I would like you to ask me a question there. But let me get up the pronouns. One second, it's coming. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to open the floor now. While I open this pronoun, and I want you to ask questions, please. No, that's the wrong one. 1 second. Let's see. Okay, so anybody, do you have any question? I need you to, if you have a question, unmute yourself and then ask a question while I open the pronouns. So we're going to ask
I have a question, Nancy.
Uh-huh.
Jojo.
Are we supposed to like...
You're staying too close with maybe your sibling. You two are not supposed to sit together with two different devices. So you need to move away. That way we stop echoing, okay? So move away before you ask the question. If not, it's going to continue to echo.
Okay, I moved away.
Okay, go ahead, babe.
Are we supposed to like act in the video, or like just record us speaking?
No, I have to see you saying it, because if you record yourself speaking, how will I know it's you? I want
No, I mean like,
yeah, you're going to, I need to see your video saying it.
I mean like in the video, just our parents and us like speaking back and forth.
If your parents want to have video, his or her video to show, that's fine. But other than that, all I need to hear is just their audio, their voice. I don't need to see them. But if they are okay for their video to show, that is perfect. That is fine. But I want to see your video, because I want to see how you're saying it and to make sure you're the one doing the interaction and conversation. Because I want you to know it. If you can get your own part, that's what I'm looking for. So I want to see your video saying it, doing the exchange, the conversation with them. Like now, looking at me, for example, now I'm talking with my mom, but you don't see my mom, but you can hear my mom's voice. But you can see me saying, what's your name again?
Chisum.
Chisum. Okay, so Chisum, I'm going to say now, hey, Mama. and then you're not the mother, and then you hear me say, okay, I won't see you, but I won't see your mom saying it, but you see me, the student saying it back. Okay, so the interaction. But if your mother is okay, or your dad, or your sibling who can speak Igbo, it's okay for their video to be seen. I'm fine. So it's okay for somebody to record both of you. But if it's not okay with them, all I need to hear is their voice. But I need to see your video acting it. And you know why I want us to do this also? Because there's something that I'm planning. So for those of you who are interested to be in the acting, then fine, but it's still in the planning phase. So, but right now, I want to make sure that you guys are putting into practice, learning how to speak this word. You need to know them. We're going to be doing this every month, okay? Because I'm trying to find a way to help motivate you guys. We have to enforce it, but I need to see you doing this conversation. You learn it, you don't have to go back, you know it. So learn this, because as we keep moving, if you don't know this part, you're gonna get lost. And some of you will be moving to intermediate class in January. So I need to see what you can do. So did you understand it, or do you have any other question?
Well, you explained it good. Thank you.
How do you say thank you? What is thank you? Okay, I see Adanze. Adanze na-eweli aka. Adanze, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
Awụrụ m ajụjụ.
Kedu onye na-ekwunu? Kedu onye si ya nwere ajụjụ?
Oh, did you say Adanze or did you say, because
I see Adanze. So I wasn't sure whether it was you or somebody else.
I was the one who raised my hand. Me.
Okay, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ gị.
My question is basically for like this scripting, we're saying the Igbo part, right? And the other person.
The Igbo part, yeah. The English part is for you to know the meaning of what you're saying, yes.
Okay, and then the mom and dad, is that like the person who's like, so like.
Yes, mommy or daddy or a friend is just the actor, somebody who's going to help you do the conversation. But if you're living alone, like college students and young adults who are living alone by themselves, if you don't have anybody, your mom can do it over the phone, your dad can do it over the phone, or your friend. Or if you don't have any of them to help you do it, call me. I can fill in the gap for that position. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can act as a mom, I can act as a dad, or I can act as your friend or your sibling. If you're alone, if you're in school, if you're somewhere, if you're living alone. So that one is just for the adults who are living by themselves, not the young ones living with their parents. Your parents has to do it.
Okay. And my follow-up question, what if like you have someone who's like reading the mom and dad line, but they're like not really good at speaking Igbo?
Oh, that's fine. But yes, that is okay. That's a good question. That person can do it. Yes. Let that person do it. Okay. Come act as mommy and dad, but I want them to pronounce it well so that you will understand what they're saying. If you can coach that person to say those lines well, then the person can read. The person can be reading it from the paper, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Dalu.
Email. These are wonderful questions.
Auntie, good morning. I've just joined the class.
What is good morning?
Oh, I know. I just joined the class.
Okay, good one. What's your name?
Adanze.
Adanze, good morning.
Adanze.
Wait, Adanze is asking question. Wait, Adanze, I want you to say Ututu Oma.
Ututu Oma.
Yes, that's good morning.
Okay.
Yes. All right. So, can you say it again and then say Enwerem Ajuju?
I with him, Ajuju.
I want you to say good morning.
Oh no, I already forgot.
No. How can you forget? I just said that
already.
No, say it. Ototo Oma. You know it.
Ototo Oma.
Yeah.
Juju.
Good. Ajuju means go ahead and ask your question.
Dalu.
Email.
Okay. I literally just kind of signed in maybe about 15 minutes ago. So you were saying that.
It's okay.
What does it do?
It's okay. It's all right. You're supposed to start in January, but that's fine. You can still join us now. But that's fine. So what do you want to ask?
Well, when is the project due?
The project is due 20th, December 20th. And
Okay.
guess what? I like the fact that you just joined and you want to do it. That is wonderful, Adanze. And I want you to try your best. Just try. You never know. So you will see it. I'm going to repost it again. Have I added you to the forum?
Yes, actually, my dad and you and my dad were talking. So
okay, all right, good. So if you have not received the assignment, let me know. I'm going to send it again so that you get it, and I want you to try because I like it when people are trying to do their best to learn this, and I am so happy. Ernest, one of our brothers, one of the young adults, sent a question because otherwise he was trying to get this pronoun thing. And then he was able to send from the which is me, mine, all those things, you, your.
Okay. I
So
understand
he was able to do it and he got it right. If you don't practice it, trust me, you will be struggling. And I want you to ask me a question because I can help you. I can help you. I know this is a free class, but
Can I
don't
ask a
take it
question?
like it's a free class. Therefore, I'm not gonna take it serious. It's not every day you see people who can offer things free. This is a non-profit thing and it's based on donation. Anybody who wants to donate can donate to help us to be able to provide this service. But I'm not gonna say because it's free, therefore I'm gonna take it for granted. No, benefit from it. Take advantage of it and learn. You have somebody who is sacrificing her. I have something to do. I'm a mom. I have my children. I have my husband. I have a house to keep. But hey, we can make a difference by doing things free for people who are serious. So I want you guys, please, to surprise me, make me proud, and make me feel so happy that even though I'm providing this service, people are really appreciating it. Don't just drop it. So please, guys, I want you to do something. Learn it, please. Now, I'm so happy. I want you to please join in this project and surprise me. I like surprises. Honestly, I do. So,
what if someone doesn't know how to speak Igbo?
Huh?
What if someone doesn't know how to speak Igbo?
Who is talking? What is your name? Tell me. Tell me your name.
I'm Jacob Niwasu.
Okay. Now, Jacob, you say your name is Jacob? Huh? Is your name Jacob?
Yes.
Okay. And your last name is Nwosu, not Ninwosu. Now, I need you to learn to pronounce your last name. Jacob, I want you to say Nwosu.
My name is Jacob Niwasu.
Okay, wait a minute. Well, let me see. Jacob, your last name is Nwosu. I want you to say Nwosu. It's not Nwosu. Say Nwosu.
Nwosu.
Again.
Nwosu.
Yes. Do not pronounce your last name as Nwosu again, okay? The right way to pronounce your Igbo last name is Nwosu. Jacob, I want you to say it again. Nwosu.
Nwosu.
Again.
Nwosu.
Okay, now Jacob, I want you to say Ahambo. Jacob Nwosu. Ahambo. Jacob Nwosu.
Ahambo. Jacob Nwosu.
Hey, see? Oh, wonderful. So that's how you're supposed to be saying your name. And then your question is, what if you don't know how to speak Igbo? Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and that's why you're learning. That's why you're in this class, to learn. And that's why I gave you that project to learn to speak Igbo. So I want you to go over the project. And how old are you, Jacob?
8.
8. See, you see where I say from 8 to 14. So you belong in that age group. What you need, your mom, can your mom speak Igbo?
Yes, even my dad and my 2 sisters.
Okay, good. If they can speak Igbo, they're the ones to help you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and I want you to do it once you finish learning, finish memorizing your part and knowing the meaning, because I don't want you to just memorize it and you don't know the meaning, because I'm going to ask you, what is the meaning of what you're saying? That's why I have it in English and I have it in Igbo. So know them. Once you know them, memorize it, and then one of your siblings, your mom or daddy, will record you and the mommy or daddy saying it. Okay? That's what you need to do, okay, Jacob?
Okay.
Okay, can you say your last name again?
Mm.
Nwosu.
Nwosu.
Again?
Nwosu.
All right, imela, imela. Okay, so onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Kedu
Aha m
onye
bụ
nwere
Chimbusoma.
ajụjụ?
Aha m bụ Chimbusoma, enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay, ngwa Chibusamma.
I'm 6, but I don't have the 6 but should.
Yeah, you're 6, but the 6-year-old, their parents supposed to be with them. So this is what I would say here.
No, I'm talking about the Igbo lesson.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, your parents, I'll let you stay in the class because your parents supposed to, one of your parents supposed to be with you. Okay. But this is what I'm gonna do for those who are 6. If you guys still wanna do it, if your parents want you guys to try, I want your parents to help you try your best, and then you can join the 8-year-olds, okay, to do it. It is okay. If the 6-year-old and 7, if you guys know you can do it, I need your parents to try. And then tell your parents you want to join the project. And then I want a surprise. I like surprises. So please do that, okay?
Okay.
Ndewo daalụ. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? I want you guys to ask me a question, even if it's not for the project, for the pronouns. I need you to know how to make sentences with these pronouns. When you say, my book is here, my book, and you know the pronoun mine, which is the am, which is akwukwam, and then you see the pronoun comes after the noun. Akwukwam, and not the other way around. So, Chielotamongwa, ọ dị ka na-eweli aka elu.
Aha m bụ Chelotam. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
Auntie, how do I say my last name?
Akabueze.
Akabueze?
Yes, Akabueze.
Okay,
Can you
Auntie.
say that?
Akabueze.
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 Yes. Now say it together. Akabueze.
Akabueze.
Yes. Because I know some of you say, how do you normally say it before?
Akabueze.
See, so your intonation is what changes it, but you are really close. Akabueze. That's how you say it.
Okay, Auntie.
And it's good for you guys to please learn to say your name, your Igbo names, and then your last name. If they are not pronouncing it well, maybe in your school, tell them this is the right way to pronounce my name. Don't just let them keep butchering your name. Don't let them saying it any way they like. No, get your name correct. Say your name very well. Tell them this is how to say it. I see Chukwudi, Onora. Onora. Some people say Honora. No, it's not Honora, it's Onora. Okay, so make sure you know how to pronounce your name. Some of you answering Ngozi, I've heard some people say Ngozi. That N is not supposed to say ne. That's why it's very important to know your alphabet. Ngozi, Ngozi, not Nengozi. Not Nengozi, no. Not Nwosu, it's Nwosu. Nwosu. Even if your parents are saying it in Nwosu, please tell your parents, no, this is how to say my Igbo last name, Nwosu. Maybe they were doing that for you too. No, pronounce it that way, or maybe settle with that. No, that is not right. Say your last name correctly. Just when somebody just say it's correct. This is the correct way to say my name. Okay, my middle name is Ogochukwu. The people call the short form Ogo. So, and don't just say Okay, it's a long one. If they cannot pronounce it, tell them how to pronounce it. Chukwuma, Chukwude, not Chukudi or Chukwuma. No, there's nothing like that. Because even if you see the what is the Russian names? They have long names, but still they can pronounce it right. Why is it that they can't pronounce our Igbo names right? So there are some like Russian names, very difficult names to pronounce, Italian names, but they can still pronounce it. Americans can pronounce it. So if they're pronouncing your name the wrong way, tell them this is the right way, because our Igbo names are not the worst names to pronounce. You gotta tell them, this is how to pronounce my name. Help them until they got it right. Okay, so let them learn to pronounce it. But if you yourself just trying to butcher your name, say it any way you like, then you don't blame them if they start pronouncing it the wrong way. So on your name, be proud of your Igbo name. If you don't know the meaning of your Igbo name, please ask your parents or ask me. You have to know your name, what it means. Every Igbo child, every Igbo name has a meaning. Igbo name has a meaning. It has a meaning. So find out. If you don't know the meaning of your name, please find out from your parents. Okay. Kedu onye ọzọ na-eweli aka elu? Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ?
Aha m bụ Azoma.
Azoma.
ajụjụ.
Azoma, kedu your last name?
Utom.
Aha! Again.
Utom.
Utam, aha. But you see, before Azoma said Yotam. No, it is not Yotam, but she corrected herself. Utam. Utam. It's like something sweet. Utam, something that is sweet. Okay? You hear the mama, you hear the moto, Utam. Okay? Utam, not Yotam. So Azoma, no more Yotam. Okay? I know that's how you've been saying it. Maybe your teachers or the school, but not anymore. Tell them it's Utam. Okay, Azoma?
Okay.
Ngwajo.
And my question is, none of my parents speak Igbo.
None of them speak Igbo.
No, so for the project, can they speak English?
Oh no! Oh no! No!
Oh my God.
No! No! Okay, guess what? They have to, the Azoma, they're gonna use this opportunity to learn to speak it. And tell them, aunties, you're gonna help. No, I don't want any other person talking. Guys, Azoma is the only one. Azoma is the only one. No more unmuting yourself. Do not unmute yourself unless if you're going to ask questions. Please, let me respond to Azoma. So Azoma, either your mom, whoever you want to do it with you, tell the person to call me, or you can call me and then I can talk to them. They need to do it. One of them will do it with you, and I can help them. They can listen to what I did. I can record it and send to them, but they have to learn to do it, okay? Are any of them Igbo, from Igbo?
Oh, my dad is.
Your dad. Okay, your dad is gonna do it with you.
Okay.
Azoma. So if your dad is Igbo, he can speak Igbo, and he's going to do it with you. All right? Okay,
yes.
Please tell your dad you're not going to fail this project, that you wanna do it. If he wants me to record it and give to him, I will do that. But I don't want him to make you not to do your project. It's very important.
Okay.
Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ?
Aha m bụ Chukwudi.
Chukwudi. Get your last name, Chukwudi.
Ọnụọra.
Ọnụọra. Yes, you got it. Ọnụọra. Okay, Chukwudi, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
For that project, can the actor be speaking, can show in the video too?
If they want to, if the actor want to, if it's your mom or dad or any your sibling, if they want their video to show two of you talking, that is fine.
Okay.
But if they're not okay with it, I just want only your video and then I can be hearing them. I can only hear their voice. That's fine. But if they want their video to show, that is perfectly okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just say thank you. Oh, email. All right. Ask me anything now, please. Today, I just opened the floor for you to ask me a question. Even if it has not, it's not related to what we did today. Just ask me a question, please.
I have a question.
Kwuo ya n'Igbo. Kedu onye na-ekwu?
I have a question.
Kedu onye na-ekwu? Kedu aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? You're supposed to know what is gịnị bụ aha gị.
Ahamba Ugonna Okafor.
Ugonna Okafor. Dalo, you said your last name correctly. Yeah? Good. Okay. Ugonna is the only one asking question now. The other person wait.
How do you say bye in Igbo?
How do you say bye? Huh?
How do you say bye in Igbo?
Cardio. And then you can respond. Okay. Bye is cardio. And then you can say KMSCL. You can also say KMSCL. See you next time. Bye.
Okay.
You got it? Okay, Chinedum Ohaya. Ngwajua Jojo. Chinedum, I thought you were supposed to be in the 1 o'clock class. What happened?
I'm not in the 1 o'clock class.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I think that's another.
I'm 8 years old.
Ohaya. Okay, Chinedum, ngwakwu aha gị. Gwa m nwere ajụjụ.
Do they pronounce?
Chinedum, I want you to tell me your name, first and last name. Just try, Chinedum. Now we get to you. Wait. Chinedum ngwanu. Aha m Chinedum Ohaya.
How do they pronounce my last name?
Chinedum Gemonte, listen to me. Aha m Chinedum Ohaya.
How do they pronounce?
Chinedum, can you listen to me? Listen, Chinedum. Okay. Aha m Chinedum Ohaya. I want you to say your name first.
Okay. Aha m Chinedum Ohaya.
Chinedum Ohaya.
Chinedum Ohaya.
Okay. Enwere m ajụjụ.
How do they
I want you to say enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ, ndewo. Ngwa go on.
How do they pronounce my last name?
Speak up. Chinedum kwusie okwu ike means speak up. Kwusie ike means to speak up. Speak up. I need to hear you.
How do they say me and my brother's names last names in Nigerian?
Or in Igbo, huh? Ohaya. Can you say Ohaya?
Ohaya.
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 My last name is also Ohaya. So my last name is Ohaya. So it's nice. Ohaya. Yes. My name is Queenette Ogoo Ohaya. Ahambo Queenette Ogoo is the Igbo name. Ohaya is my last name.
Dalu.
Email. Okay. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere
I have a question.
Kwuo ya n'Igbo. Kwuo aha gị gị kwuo enwere m ajụjụ n'Igbo.
Jason, remember? Ahamba Ikenna Okafor.
Ikenna Okafor, ngwa kwuo enwere m ajụjụ.
What if the person...
No. Enwere m ajụjụ. Say that. Ikenna, I want you to say. Aha, it means I have a question. Ngwa go, jụọ m ajụjụ.
What if the person you're saying you're speaking my name isn't, you're saying my name, you're saying my name wrong. What if you're saying that to your teacher?
Okay, you don't say it in a rude way. You say, if you say, I don't know what you call it, say, Miss Smith, I don't think you're saying my last name the correct way, okay? I don't think you're saying it right. Can I? And then Miss Smith will say, okay, oh, you can tell me. How do I say it? I say, okay. Okay, just say it in a polite way, in a respectful way, okay? Or Miss Smith, if it's your teacher's name, it's Miss Smith. Or Miss Jones, can I tell you how to say my last name? And then Miss Smith will say, oh, okay, I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Okay, so say it in a respectful way. Don't be rude. Don't say, oh, Miss Smith, you're wrong. No, don't say that. Don't say, Miss Smith, you're wrong. Just go to Miss Smith, please, can I talk to you? I don't think you're saying my last name right. You see that? That's how you say it, okay? And if it's an adult, maybe your uncle or your neighbor or a friend, your family friend, and oh, uncle or Mr. You said the person says, I don't think you said my last name right. So say it, you have to say it in a respectful way, okay?
Okay.
All right, dalo. Kedu onye ọzọ? Anyị nwere nkeji ise. Nkeji ise means 5 more minutes left. Please ask
Excuse me, my
questions.
sister has a question.
Onye na-ekwu. Onye na-ekwu means who is talking. Onye, kedu aha gị? Kedu aha gị?
Aha m bụ Adora Okafor.
Adora Okafor. Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
My question is, what if I keep telling people that they're saying my name wrong and they keep continuing to say it wrong? That's what happens at my school all the time.
All right. So if your friends at school says your name wrong, if they say your name wrong, all you need to do, still always try to be good. Always try to be polite. Don't get upset with them, okay? I don't think they're just trying to say it wrong on purpose. No, maybe they're still struggling to try to say it right. So all you need to continue to do is say, Amanda, you're still not saying my name right. This is how to say it. And then, it's only your teacher who will always use your last name. But your friends, they're gonna say your first name. So if they're still saying it wrong, your first name, you say, oh, Jessica, you're not saying it, you're still not saying it right. Try to always be nice to them, okay? Tell them this is how to say it. And then you make them say it, and then they say it. The next time they're gonna get it right. Even if they got it wrong, always try to say it politely. Say it in a friendly way. Okay, can I tell you how to say it right? And then you can tell them. If they're your good friends, they're gonna listen to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ndewo. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ?
Bụ Chibusoma nwere m ajụjụ.
Chibusoma. Ngwa. Chibusoma, gịnị wa last name gị?
Ọnụọra.
Ọnụọra, daalụ. Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ gị.
If the person start the Igbo homework, would the person start saying it in Igbo and the other person will say it in Igbo?
Yeah, they will say it in Igbo too. Both of you will say, the actor will be saying it in Igbo, you'll be saying it in Igbo, okay?
Okay.
Ndewo. How do you say thank you?
Daalụ.
Imeela. All right. Onwere onye ọzọ? Anyị nwere nkeji atọ. Maka enwere m ịkụzikwa ihe ọzọ. I have another class, 1 o'clock. So we're going to stop at 12:59. Anyị nwere ofu nkeji fọrọ. Onwe onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Okay, ngwa anyị ga-akwụsị n'ebe a tata. We're going to stop here today so that I can get ready for the next class. This is what I'm going to tell you now. Okay, bye. Always text me or tell your mom or dad to call me or text me if you have a question with the project. Work on your project, okay? I did not give you any other homework except the project. Do this project, do it very well. Do not wait until the last day. It doesn't work that way. You wait till the last day, you're gonna be get in trouble. And we're gonna do end of the year before once you guys close school. So we're going to use this project to close, do our end of the year before we resume in January, because we're going to close when the school is going to be over too. I know some of you are in different countries and states, but we do it based on the way US do it, okay? School system in America, that's how we're going to do it. So please, please, please get involved with this project. I want you to be involved. If you have a question, you know how to reach me. Okay, I wish all of you well. I love you guys. I love you means ahụrụ gị n'anya. So if you want to tell your parents I love you, say ahụrụ gị n'anya. All right.